Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Vedika Academy. So, as you can see on a screen, this is a sample paper for 10th class SST and set 1 is mentioned here. So, today we analyze the solution of MCQ part and map work. So, let us start with me. So, this is set 1. First, we will start MCQ part. First question is about Napoleonic Code. From chapter first, Napoleonic Code. So the answer is first is correct option because first, second and third, three options are correct. First, second and third. So answer A is correct. As I told you, Napoleonic Code is important. So just look at the points about the Napoleonic Code. Abolition of privileges based on birth, establish equality before law, and securing property rights. So all the three options are correct and option 4 is wrong. So answer is A. Now question number second. This is from chapter 3, the making of global world. That is, for which of the following market were cotton and sugar primarily exported from America in the 18th century? So the answer is C, for Asian market. Next, in the early years of the 19th century, the production of which of following food item brought about a fundamental change in the life of poor people in Europe? Directly question that is written in the NCERT. At that time, potato was the major crop. So B, that is potato, is correct option. Fourth, identify the appropriate reason for the slow growth of English language press during the 18th century from the following option. So this is based on a Vernacular Press Act. So this is based on a Vernacular Press Act. So option A is correct. Restriction of British government on the regional press. Next is your fifth. This is like a case-based question. Now you need to read the point Middle East reserves, crude oil reserves, United States of America, world average. So when you will see the answer, the correct answer in it, A. Only first, third and fourth are correct. First, third and fourth are correct. In these type of question, you need to analyze the statement first. What statement, what question is saying, what statement is given in it. Next is your, that is, choose the correctly matched pair. Where is your Corbett National Park, Sundarban National Park? See, these three matches are wrong. Only fourth one is correct. That is Manas Tiger Reserve in Assam. So answer is 4. See students, what you have observed, the question level is kind of, it is easy or current based as well. So next we will see 7th question. An artificial lake built in 11th century for water conservation is dash. This is your Bhopal Lake. Question 7th, C is correct. Next, you match the following. That is Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is located on Narmada River. So that is Salal on Chenab River. So C option is correct. A, third, that is Sardar Sarovar is located on a Narmada River. So option number C is correct. Yes, question number 9. See students, observe this question number 9. In it, crop characteristics given, means one crop is given and the characteristics is given, like what conditions are required for their cultivation. Like it require more than 200 centimeter rainfall and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. It is mainly used as raw material in industry. It is a primary crop for the equatorial region. Any keyword you can pick, like I have picked equatorial region. So rubber is your correct answer because that crop is found out in a equatorial region. So 9th, B is your correct option. Now question number 10th, assertion reason type, in which you will first read out both the statements. So certain minerals may occur as a alluvial deposit in sand of valley floors and base of hills. These are usually minerals that are not corroded by the water. So obviously A and R both are true, and R is correct explanation of A because these minerals are not corroded by water as well. So A is your correct option. Now move to 11 question, that is your atomic power plants, in which state they are located. So the C part is correct. That first is your Kakrapara, that is in Gujarat. Next is in your Rajasthan. So C is your correct option. 11th C. Move to 12th question. It is based on a power sharing. Direct question is given. Belgium and Sri Lanka case study. Might be you have studied. So the Belgium leader took a different path than Sri Lanka. They recognized the existence of regional difference and cultural diversity. So 12th C is your correct answer. 12th C. Next 13 question. Concurrent list is given. That is concurrent list in which both the state and central government can make the law. So 13th D is your correct answer. That is education, forest and marriage. So 13th D is your correct option. Next 14th, which of the following statement are correct related to the role of political party in India? So role of political party, as I told you, this is very important question, role of political party. So if you will see the statement first, third and fourth, all the statements are correct. Look at the second statement, which is wrong. So directly you can eliminate wrong statement. So 14th B is your correct option. 15th, which of the following country has a high human development index score? See, in it the most like Sri Lanka have the maximum highest human development index, but Sri Lanka is not in option. So after the Sri Lanka, India is at the top rank. So India is in the option. So answer is C, that is India. 15 C is your correct answer. So look at the question number 16th. In it, see, you need to in this maths work is required. So unorganized sector, about unorganized sectors. So first data is 250, or handloom weavers in her house, third. So when you combine the data for the first and third option, that is 250 plus 70, the answer came out be 320. So 16th C is your correct answer, that is 320. This is like trucks are given in your image, that is about your transport sector. So transport is associated with your tertiary sector. So 17th C is your correct answer, that is your tertiary sector. Next 18. Shyamlal is a small farmer, has got his Kisan credit card. He need a loan to grow new crops. Now from where he will take the loan? So definitely the answer is cooperative banks, because relative, informal, friends, informal, B also kind of informal. So A is your correct answer. From formal source of credit he will take the loan. Next is your 19th question. Double coincidence of wants. As you know that double coincidence of want, we require circulation of money. So A is your correct answer, by increasing the circulation of money. Next, move to the 20th question. Again in it, two statements are given. First, in recent time, technology in the area of computer and internet has been changing rapidly. Agree. Statement 2, internet allows us to send instant electronic mail and talk across the world at negligible cost. Statement is also correct, and both are interrelated. So D is your correct answer. Both 1 and 2 are true, and second is correct explanation of first. So this is all about your MCQ part. You need to put a comment on this video like how much questions are correct or wrong. This you can drop a message in your comment box. Let's start our math work. So in math work, first question of history is given, that is A and B part. So first is the place where the session of Indian National Congress was held. So the place is Nagpur. So see in the map the location of Nagpur. Nagpur is here. Okay. So the place where session of Indian National Congress was held, Nagpur. In map, find out, see the location of Nagpur. Second, the place where Mahatma Gandhi started Satyagraha for Indigo PZ. This you all know, that is in Champaran. Now see the location of Champaran in your map. This is your Champaran. Question number, yes, this map work is from your geography part. First, that is your leading state in production of rice. Map work, let's see the map. Now, West Bengal. Leading state in production of rice, West Bengal. West Bengal is here in the map work. See the location. Now, second part. That is your coal mines located in Tamil Nadu. So, see the map, that is Naveli in Tamil Nadu, Naveli. Got it? Now, third, major seaport located in Karnataka. Now, again see the map, major seaport located in Karnataka. That is your New Mangalore port. New Mangalore port. Fourth, oil field located in Maharashtra. Again see the map, oil field located in Maharashtra, that is your Mumbai oil field. So this is all about your map work, and you have seen the location of map as well where we have pointed out. Thank you.